Look at that. Oh. So hi guys, we bought a new coffee machine today from MediaMarkt, and this is from Dēlonghi brand, Dēlonghi Magnifica Plus. It's an Italian brand, like Dēlonghi. They said this is a good brand. I'm excited. So let's open it. Oh, just nice. Just nice. It's not too tall. Wow, look at that. Look at this guy. It's beautiful. Am I recording? Yes. It's beautiful. Let's open. This is where the coffee will go in here. And look at that. It's all new. Let me open the sticker. Let me take out the sticker. Two. Okay, put back in. Look at that. Let me just put it a little bit down. Okay. And then what? Oh, hold on. Where is it's like that. And then go in. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Take this and then wipe. Gonna make sure it's clean. And look at that. So like that a little bit. Okay. It's beautiful. And so many language. You can go for English. Okay, English. And then done. To get things going, fill the water tank up to max level. Okay, this is full. Alright, it says next, please insert the water spout. It says water spout, so it's this one. Okay, and then let's see again. We just follow the instructions. Fill the beans container. The container beans is filled. Now next, please insert the water spout. Already. Time for quick heater. I use some hot water to heat everything up. Rinsing complete, it says. To make sure I give you the right maintenance info, set the water hardness level. Use the strip included in the pack. So yeah, this is the strip and this is the water hardness. Let's check if it says it's safe. Okay, start. Already. Select the water hardness level based on the number of red squares that appears on the strip. So it's okay, level 2. Let's select that. Okay. Water hardness set correctly. So it says for the best results in your cup, I recommend installing the water filter. Okay. Start. Okay, supposed to be here. Now, okay, let me see. Just next. Okay. It's adjust the date indicator to 2 months from now. So here it's already set. Number 2. Can you guys see that? And then now next, pour some water into the filter opening until it's full. So it's full. Immerse the filter in the water tank and let the air bubbles escape. Insert the filter into its housing and push it down firmly. Already insert and then put it back. It says, can you insert the water tank? Of course. Okay. Alright, done. Place 0.5 liter container under the spout ready to fill the water. Alright, I've placed here. Now let's go. Rinsing underway. Watch out for the hot water from the spout. Oh my. There you go. It's done. Now the technicalities are done. Let's get to know one another. Start. How many people will use this machine? At least 4. And then next, I have created a profile for each user. Personalize them using the edit button. Profile 1, edit profile. What is it? Change. I want this one.
Yeah.
And then okay. Profile 1. Save. Profile 2. Profile 3. I want this one actually. I want this one. This is me. Pink. This one somebody else. Maybe then this one. Green. Yeah. And JJ. Where JJ? Di sana. Yeah, orange. See. Whatever. Okay, next. The profiles have been created. Remember, you can modify them whenever you want from the profile panel. Next, I will show you a quick video tutorial. Swipe through many different drinks. Okay. You can immediately see the parameters of each drink. By pressing the drink's personalization button, size L large, intensity 4 for coffee. For other useful tips, scan the QR code to access the manual and support. You can also find help in setting support. Next. You are all set. You deserve a great coffee. Yeah! Okay, let me make my coffee. All right, everything is ready. It's milk here, and this is my cup. Now I'm going for what? My cup is ready. The milk is ready. Now, let's see what I want for this time. I'm going for what is it? Filter style. Oh no. Latte macchiato. No, I'm not gonna go for complicated one. Maybe cappuccino. No. Cappuccino plus? No. Let me see cappuccino. We go for this one. Regular cappuccino. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it. Hot froth tips. For a perfect hot foam, use milk or plant-based drinks at refrigerator temperature. Okay. Don't do anything. Oh! Turn the careful dial to dense. Oh my god. Oh, what? Let's see. It says frothing your milk. Oh! Oh my. Okay. Oh my, look at that. It says frothing your milk. And then it says stop? Or I have to stop it or what? Okay, it stopped by itself. Okay. And then Now, cappuccino, brewing your coffee. It says brewing your coffee. Now let's go. Oh. That's it. Your cappuccino is ready. This is my best. Place a container under the milk sprout, then turn the dial to the clean position. That looks exactly like cappuccino at the shop, at the restaurant. Look at that, but it's half only. Okay, this is my coffee. Look at the cappuccino. I am so happy with my new coffee machine. Oh, €5. Cheers, my cappuccino.